Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to get free domain and hosting for portfolio website. The best platform to create your portfolio on for completely free is none other than Wix. Wix website builder is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you'll also be able to create a professional looking portfolio website in no time. So I want you to go onto wix.com, sign up using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Build on the Wix editor. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you could choose to use the Wix AI by tapping on Start Chat, but I would not recommend that if you're just getting started. So you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is simply select Portfolio, or you could type in the type of portfolio website that you would like to create. So for example, by scrolling down, you can see different sub-niches, whether it is a writing portfolio, general music, artists, game design, graphic design, or so on. You can create any type of website using the Wix website builder. Once you have selected a portfolio, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll be able to give your website a name, and you can also start customizing it. So for example, I'm just going to be calling this website Test Site. Then we'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can select the apps that you would like to add onto your website. So for example's sake, automatically the portfolio app is going to be added. You can also add the Instagram feed, which will allow you to display pictures from Instagram and videos. If it is a case that you would like to also add a blog onto your website, you could select blog. Do you plan on selling videos or streaming videos? You could do that by selecting video. So for example, if you are an editor or so on, and you would like to present some of your work as example, I would definitely recommend that you select this app right here. And you can also scroll down and see different apps. If you have anything to do with music, you could select music right there. Then you'll tap on Continue and select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, this is how your dashboard looks. So if you would like to add the products to your portfolio right now, you can select Portfolio from the left-hand menu option. After doing that, you can tap on Set Up Without AI, or you can use the Wix AI feature. And this is also another standout feature when it comes onto the Wix website builder. Basically, step by step, as you go through the different phases creating your website with Wix, you'll realize that you can get assistance using their AI. And their AI is optimized to make your website look and operate professionally. So you could choose any one of these categories. So if you were in photography or web design, you could select any one of these categories and then tap on next. And from there, you could use their AI feature to upload your portfolio. But if you were to tap on Set Up Without AI, after doing that, you could tap on Add Project in the top right hand corner, add in your project name, then a quick description, then project type, and also the date. And then from here, you could upload your portfolio. It is as easy as that. And you can also create collections so that your portfolios are better organized. So you can create new collections by tapping on New Collections right there. And to write your first blog, you could tap on Blog from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you could tap on Create New Post. And again, by going over to the left-hand menu option or the bottom of the page, you can see the different AI features that you can get access to. For example, if I were to select AI tools from the left-hand menu option, I can use it to write a blog post, title, outline, create an image, or meta tags. And all you'll need to do after you're finished is tap on Publish, and your first blog article will be live. Now, to optimize how our website looks, you will tap on Setup in the top left-hand corner, then select Design Site in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After you have done that, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and select a particular template. Let's say, for example, I were to select this one. All you'll need to do is tap on edit, then give it a few seconds while your website is being created in the background. Once your website has been created, you'll be redirected to this page, and I normally close the pop-up, but if you'd like assistance with writing content, you can type in information right here and tap on generate site, and the Wix AI will assist you. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now, to start optimizing your website is quite straightforward. For example, to change the name, you could tap on the header section, then tap on quick edit. After you have done that, you could change the vector art. You can also change the background, and we could also change the name right there by tapping on the name. So for example, I can change it to Simple Answers. It's as easy as that. You can also change the name right here by tapping on it and tapping on quick edit. And going over to the right hand menu option, we could change the title. We can also change the paragraph text, and you can also change the different images by tapping on the images right here. After you have selected the image, you can change it quite easily. So you can select that and you could edit your portfolio page. If it is a case that you would like to add a page, add elements, or anything to your website, you will find all of these features in the top left hand corner by tapping on add elements. For example, you can add text, images, anything at all you like to add to your website, you can drag and place it on it. And to view the different pages on your website, you will tap on pages and menu. That is the third icon from the top left hand corner. From here, you can see your collection page, your project page. You can also tap on site menu and you can see your menu right there. And if you'd like to add a page, you will tap on add page. Then you can see the different type of pages, whether you like to add a blank page, about page, services page, contact page, general page, create a landing page, anything at all that you would like to add onto your Wix website, you'll be able to do that quite easily. Also, when it comes onto Wix Website Builder, there are thousands of tutorials that you can find quickly on YouTube to help you even further if you would like to customize it even further than this. In fact, on my channel alone, I have over 100 different Wix tutorials, so you can definitely find a lot of tutorials if you would like further assistance. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After selecting publish, your website will be live. So for example, if I were to tap on publish right there, you can see the URL that I'm provided with. All I'll need to do is tap on done. And then from there, I could edit the mobile version by tapping on edit mobile site. You could edit the mobile version. You can see how it looks right there. So this is it. So this is how our mobile version look right now. So we'll tap on publish. After you have selected publish, you could tap on view site, and this is how our website looks at the moment. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.